Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by powering the Solo 3 and preparing your phone. Plug in and charge to at least 50% so the headset won't die mid-pairing. Once charging is adequate, open Bluetooth on your phone from Settings. Now press and hold the Beats power button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes, which means the headset entered pairing mode. This step ensures the Solo 3 is discoverable and stable. Make sure you don't release too soon, so the device fully enters pairing state. You'll now connect the headset to your phone. With Bluetooth scanning, locate and tap Beats Solo 3 in the list of available devices. This initiates the handshake. If your phone asks to confirm pairing or show a code, accept it. This finalizes authentication. Once the phone shows connected, play a short audio clip to verify left/right channels and volume. If audio doesn't play, make sure the Solo 3 is set as the output device and that media volume is up. You're almost done. Verify microphone and controls by making a test call and playing music. Once you confirm both audio and mic work, you're finished. If pairing fails, reset the Solo 3 by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears connection conflicts. Also make sure your phone OS and any Beats firmware updates are installed, because outdated software often causes intermittent drops. If problems persist, try pairing with another device to isolate whether the headset or phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.